Another day with Shreiner Tree Care out here working in Pennsylvania. Just getting ready at the shop in the morning. This is the bay where they keep their big trucks. We are rocking this 55L National. This is the same crane that I use at East Side, 55 ton, 150 foot boom. It's a really nice crane. And this is what we're taking today. I was here 4 months ago visiting and climbing for these guys in the summer. And since I've got back, they've built this building for these trucks right here. Look at this row of chippers right here. This is like the big chipper that we had at East Side, but like 10 of them. Just nuts. Just filling up before we head out. Holy smokes, folks. Look at this tree. This is the removal today. This is a huge elm. I mean, this thing's gigantic. Huge elm. And it is over 2 houses. I mean, like, this tree is over the end of that house and the end of this house. I mean, this thing is absolutely monstrous. Like, we do not have trees like this in Washington. I mean, it is so wide. Dude, it's gigantic. Look at the wood up there. I mean, that is like big wood. Just monster elm tree. And look at all the wires too. Wires, there's a pole right there. I mean, wires everywhere, houses everywhere. This thing's a beast. We got this grapple chipper today. I'm excited to see this thing in action. We worked with this Monday, but I couldn't really see it from the tree I was in. I think I'd like to work the ground on this one. Mike's gonna go up in the bucket truck and start piecing that thing out. I wanna see this baby chip. But we gotta get set up and then we'll get to work here. But I'm just like in amazement at this, how wide this tree is. I mean, it's just nuts. All right, crane's almost set up. Also, I forgot to mention, this elm is dead. The reason we're cutting this down is this has been a victim of Dutch elm disease. It's a big American elm, and that's why we're cutting this big, huge, beautiful tree down. It's dead, so gotta go, sadly. So we're gonna chip into that truck?
Yes, we're gonna chip into that truck first, and then we can fill that, send that, go get an open can, and then just finish out whatever chips we have left to put in this truck. And then for the wood that can't go in the log truck, we'll put that in the open can. Save a trip.
Cool. So he's picking up the counterweight right there. The counterweight helps act as a ballast. More weight over there means he can lift more over there. So he's just gonna pick that up now. How come you don't keep the counterweights all on all the time?
Because it's more weight off the end, you know what I mean? And when you're going down the road, they have a tendency to shift back and forth. So I like to keep it up front.
Yeah.
Kind of keep the weight center.
Yeah.
You know?
Makes sense.
So, yeah. I like to keep everything tight and like the manufacturer, you know, had the crane set up. I'm going to keep it just like that going down the road.
Makes perfect sense.
Better safe than sorry.
Yeah.
Safety never takes a break, right?
Yeah.
All right, so it's cool. Swung around.
Okay.
Make sure we're going to miss the Bradford repair. You know, the guys are getting set up. The bucket truck set up. We're getting ready to rock and roll.
Right on.
A little bit.
Awesome.
And then we'll have a little tailgate safety before we even start to point out some of the hazards and whatnot. Just to make sure everybody's head's in the game.
Sounds great. All right, now he's gonna jack it up. Got to get those tires off the ground.
We're gonna start from the top, and we're gonna work our way down on this side. The sycamore tree overhangs the chipper, so I'll be stopping kind of like right over top of the curb. Okay, so what we really need to be careful of is the primary coming up, because that's hot. All right, we stay way far away from that. Okay, so you guys
are any of these lines hot?
The house drops, you always treat a line like it's energized. Yes, they are energized, but that's why we brought in the crane. All right? So we're not going huge. We're going to go small, slow, and steady. All right?
So that's Livy, the crane operator. He's been doing tree work as long as I've been alive, 30 years. He's been working for Shreiner for 26 years. Pretty incredible. He really knows his stuff. He's been running the cranes for a long time. But that's just a testimony to what a great outfit this is, and he loves it here. All right. We got Livy in the crane. We got Mike going up in the bucket right now. He's probably gonna have to hop out of the bucket a bunch for swinging and rigging and stuff. And I'm gonna be down here on the ground with you guys. I'm gonna be filming that beast. I mean, this tree looked fun to do, but I was like, Mike, can I stay on the ground? I want to really be by this chipper. Because I've never worked with one of these before, so I'm really excited to see how this works. I've seen them online. I've always thought that looks like a great idea. You know, just having the grapple, being able to put the piece down with the crane, and the crane just leaves. And the crane, you know, if you didn't have this grapple, you kind of hover the piece, use the winch line, you feed it in, you unsling the stuff. With this, in theory, we should be able to just put them down, unsling everything, and then the grapple goes to town. So I'm really excited to see this chipper in action. And what's cool about it too is not only does it have a grapple, but it has the winch as well, so you can really do a lot with it. So that's really cool that it still has the winch. I heard that if you get a grapple chipper, you have to choose between the winch and the grapple. Clearly not the case with this one. It's got both. Straightforward. Cable straight out. Oh yeah. All right, first piece. Yeah, but look at that. By the time that we're done chipping that one branch, they're already slinging up the next pick. So really fast turnaround. Now I know this company is legit. Look at this. Look at this nice carabiner I just found right here. Petzl AMD carabiner. That's a nice piece of metal right there. Buy these at sappysupplies.com. Now I really like these guys. Branch number 2. Only about 100 more to go.
All right, you ready to live? All right. Beautiful.
It's actually a really tight drop zone between these two trees, between these 3 trees. Gotta put everything right in here. This little tiny pocket. This operator is really smooth.
Oh, beautiful.
right, ready? Oh yeah, look at that nano chain ripping. You're gonna chip this? Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Huge piece of wood. That is dead stuff too, dead elm. That's like really impressive. That machine runs so well. That was a huge piece of wood. That thing just gobbled it up. That was really impressive. I mean, even lifting that thing is impressive with that grapple. That was sick. Man, that was crazy. That's a huge piece of wood.
It is huge. Yeah, so normally we can fit about 22 inches comfortably in there. That piece was give or take 18 to 20.
Yeah,
So
that thing was massive.
it fits in chips.
Yeah, Chips Ahoy. It was cool how you're able to grab the back of the log and shove it in if it gets stuck,
Yeah.
you know? You can move it around real easy.
Yeah, when I do that, I have to open up the feed wheels.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it puts a lot of pressure on the feed wheels and can
Totally.
break them and damage them. So because of that, I'm able to really maneuver and get it in the right way.
Yeah, that was sick. That truck is full. Got another one to fill up. Really amazing. He's got more room over here than he has here, so he drops them down and he's able to, like, he knows his crane well enough to sort of like spin them so that they land facing the chipper. It's really impressive. I mean, there are no controls to make that thing swivel, but he's able to, like, he's just done it so much that he's able to sort of swivel this stuff. That dude's the best crane operator I've ever seen. I mean, really impressive. Probably can't tell in the videos, but it's really impressive.
Look at that tree just disappearing. Making great progress.
strong. About 12:45. Got the first log out. You marking that to warn about the cable?
Yep.
That old cable, that must have been a while ago. So yeah, just marking the log so everybody knows there's metal in this thing. We're getting there. Mike's really fast at rigging this stuff up. That's a 4,200 pound log. What's that one weigh?
3,700.
3,700 pounds. Beefy piece of wood. And it's dead too. That's actually really heavy considering it's dead. That's from pretty dense wood. That's so crazy. And that thing was horizontal. Like, it was probably a 10,000 pound limb over that house. It's just insane to think about. 10,000 pound branch just held on by one point right there. At least 10,000. I mean, it had a bunch of brush on it too. Just wild.
Let's get a roll stuck underneath this part.
Whipping out the 88. That's a big saw. Half wrap animal. Monster chunk of wood. Hey, look at that sticker. Nice. Just noticed that.
How much did that last piece weigh? 4,000.
4,000, that stubby piece. Wow. So this chunk right here weighed 4,000 pounds. It's not even that long. Monster tree. Beast mode, dude. You haven't even eaten anything, have you?
No.
Man.
Motor's thrilling. Hunger's motivation.
Yeah, animal.
No pain, no gain.
What's that weigh, Mike?
5,600.
56, wow. What a beast. Beast of a tree, beast of a saw, beast of a man.
Crap, that was a stump.
Seven?
7,000.
7,000 pounds, thanks. 8 minutes. 8 minutes to cut that thing. It's kind of a wobbly cut. Crazy. 8 minutes to cut that. All the wood is loaded up. All right, packing up the crane. Got all the wood hauled away. Just about everything here cleaned up. I mean, that was a big tree to do in one day, especially getting all the wood out of here. Real crazy. I mean, that tree was all the way over that house and all the way over that house. I mean, you remember. I mean, pretty impressive operation here. Anyways, we're just gonna get packed and get on out of here.
Alright, headed back to the shop. Hey, nice job today.
Yeah, baby.
That's the best crane operator I've seen.
Thank you.
Yeah, that was really impressive.
Thank you.
You know, you were like snaking the pieces into that hole. You know?
Yeah, a little squiggle.
Yeah, that was awesome. So that was a good day. That was awesome. That was a huge tree. Anyways, like and subscribe. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys later.